welcome to Weapon Hub. Today we are talking about the Colt Python, one of the most iconic and premium revolvers ever produced. Known for its smooth trigger, beautiful finish, and outstanding accuracy, the Colt Python has earned a legendary reputation among firearm enthusiasts. From its introduction, it quickly became a symbol of quality craftsmanship and precision engineering. The Colt Python is typically chambered in .357 Magnum, a powerful and versatile caliber that also allows the use of .38 special ammunition. This flexibility gives shooters options depending on their preference for recoil and performance. The .357 Magnum delivers strong power and impressive accuracy, especially when paired with the Python's well-designed barrel. Despite the power of the round, the solid steel frame and balanced weight of the revolver help manage recoil effectively. One of the most praised features of the Colt Python is its trigger system. The double-action trigger pull is known for being exceptionally smooth, while the single-action brake is crisp and clean. This smooth trigger control contributes greatly to the revolver's excellent accuracy. Shooters often describe the Python as one of the finest shooting revolvers ever made. The build quality of the Colt Python stands out immediately. It features a full underlug barrel, which adds weight to the front of the revolver and helps reduce muzzle rise. The ventilated rib on top of the barrel not only enhances its classic look but also reduces glare when aiming. The polished finish and tight-fitting parts reflect the high level of craftsmanship that Colt is known for. In terms of accuracy, the Colt Python performs exceptionally well at medium ranges. The adjustable rear sight and clear front sight allow precise aiming. Combined with the stable barrel design, the revolver delivers consistent shot placement when properly handled. Whether used for range shooting or collection purposes, the Python offers a refined shooting experience.